Dear students, today I will teach you about sets. What is set? Set is a collection of a well-defined objects. That is called a set. Different types of examples of sets, which is found in well-defined. And when times or which times sets are found well-defined and which times set is not found well-defined. Okay? But which set is collection of well-defined, then that number or things form a set. But which things or objects do not or not found in well-defined, that object does not make a set. Okay? Then for set, the object should be well-defined. Okay? When object is found not well defined, then that objects cannot form a set. Okay, then here I give you or I define of the sets. Here set, a set is the collection of a set is a collection of well-defined collection of well-defined of object, well-defined object, well-defined object. This is called a set. Okay? Which times, but we observe that which time set is well defined or object is well defined or not well defined. If object is found in well defined, then that object form a set. Okay? And which objects are not found in well defined, that object can never make a set. Okay? Therefore, for set, the object should be well defined. Okay, friend? Here I give you, on this basis I give you example well defined. Here first example as tall boys of your class. Your class is not well defined, is not found well defined because many tall boys, it is not fixed, no decide, then it is unwell defined. Then unwell defined, then we can not make a set of unwell defined number or things. Okay? But here the height of students the height of students of your class from 135 centimeter to 145 centimeter. It is found well defined because it is decide of your class the student which height is 135 to 145. It is well defined. Then we can form, then we can make a set of the height of these types of student which height is starting from 135 centimeter to 145 centimeter. Okay, it is a well defined. It is example of well defined. Well defined. Okay, but it is a example of unwell defined. Unwell defined. Unwell defined. Okay, student? These types of examples, many types of examples of the well defined numbers as here some example as the number numbers the number of set from 0 to 100, 0 to 100, it is also well defined. It is also well defined. Then it form a set from the number 0 to 100. It is well defined. And here second case, the set of prime number, the set of prime number, okay, also defined. Here set of the set of even prime number, even prime number, even prime number, it is a well defined, it is a well defined, and you know that set is always write in a middle bracket with a comma. Okay, here we can write the set of even prime number, we can write here 2. It is an example of well defined. It is example of a well defined. Okay, here the example of English alphabet. The example of English alphabet. The set of English alphabet, English vowel, also a well defined. English vowels, it is also well defined. It is also well defined. Here English alphabet vowel V is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we can write set in a middle bracket or curly bracket and its elements write with a commas. Here A comma, E comma, I comma, O comma and U. These types of set we can write of this type. Okay. Here these types of many examples of these types. Okay. But object should be well defined for a set. If objects are found well defined or well defined, then that objects can never form a set. Okay. After this next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student? Thank Allah.